Oh, there's no music because I.
All right, let's take a look at some of the functions on these great lights. So right now, as you can see, I'm not using my application at all. I'm actually just using the module that comes with it, right? And with it, you could change it, and it'll change different tones, even to the different modes that's included. The same thing you can do on the phone, you could actually do it, with the exception of the audio, right? So we're gonna go ahead and keep clicking them. You guys can see they change various different changes, poses, all right? Keep clicking on it, and I'm going to show you the different variants that we have in here. If you guys can see, look at that, beautiful colors. They're very soft, but they're bright. All right, so they're not like into a point where you're gonna get blinded or anything like that. If you have a beautiful backyard, this will highlight a lot of these features. I mean, if holidays are coming over, you want to change seasonable, maybe Christmas, Halloween, or anything like that, you could change it. So there's different modes, and I'm pushing the button here. And of course, we can always go to the standard. Now, the application, the other hand, you are going to need to download the app, and you need to understand how to install. Follow the instructions. Once you install the application, you could remote control and do the same functions other than this, but there's a lot of great things you can do other than that too. You could change different modes too and create your own too. So let's go ahead and put it together and enjoy it, because right now we're going to put it in the backyard, in the pool side. All right, so here we have beautiful little tiny lights, but these are super powerful. They're outdoor graded for IP65. Easy to lock in. If you have it loose, you can always go with an Allen wrench and tighten it up more. Loosening it up, the bottom is easy. They come with their own stakes. All right, and you get 6 of these, up to 56 feet of length of a cable. So these could go almost pretty much wrap around on the corner of a house. So we're going to set them up out here, and we're going to control them with our actual remote control with our actual phone. So this, you could control the RGB lighting with the phone and also with the base too. So we're going to put this together. All right, it's simple to put on. This is how we do it. Set one of them up. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.